Hey guys, welcome back. We will tie the ponytail on the back like this. Rotate the hairs by dividing it into two sections. Fix it upward by rolling it like this. Fix it. Now fix it using the hairpin. Now take three sections of the hairs, roll it by making the plaits, and it's done. Now take the hairs and make a bun like this by rolling the hairs upward. Fix the hair like this. Now roll the leftover hairs and fix it, and your bun is ready. Next, we will tie half of the hairs on the back and then rotate it like this. Now divide the hairs into few sections and make the plaits and then rotate it like this. Pull out the hairs from it and then make a bow-like shape on the hair like this. Now take few sections of the hairs from the top. Now make the plaits and fix it like this. Now roll the hairs around to tie the hairs. Fix it upward and it's done. Next, we will tie the hairs like this, divide it into two sections and then rotate the hairs above like this. Tie it like this as shown in the video. Fix it together. Now, after fixing the hairs, we will take few sections of the hairs, make the plaits like this as shown in the video. Fix it upward by rolling the hairs like this and your hairstyle is almost ready. Thanks for watching.